Natural satellite or moon is a celestial object that orbits a planet or minor planet under the influence of their gravity. On the 7th of January 1610, Italian astronomer and mathematician Galileo Galilei discovered the first space object orbiting Jupiter. It was the first celestial body found to be orbiting another planet instead of the Earth. In few days, 3 more similar objects were discovered orbiting Jupiter. These objects, including Earth's moon, were called planets at that time, but later termed satellite by the German astronomer Johannes Kepler. The term satellite is derived from the Latin word satellus, which means companion. These satellites are labeled Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto after the characters in Greek mythology. The names were suggested by German astronomer Simon Marius, who also claimed to have found these 4 moons before Galileo. Collectively, these 4 moons are called Galilean moons in honor of the discoverer. After this groundbreaking discovery, the ancient theory of the geocentric model became obsolete, in which Earth was placed at the center of the universe. This gave way to the disputed Copernican model, which was developed and published in 1543 by the Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus. In this model, Sun was rightly placed at the center of the solar system instead of the Earth. After the launch of the first man-made satellite Sputnik 1, the satellite was classified into 2 different types, natural and artificial or man-made. Soon artificial satellites were simply called satellites and natural satellites were commonly called moons. Till now, a total of 205 natural satellites have been discovered orbiting planets, excluding Mercury and Venus. The majority of these moons are under the gravitational influence of the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, which have at least 79 and 82 moons at their disposal. Outermost ice giants planets, Neptune and Uranus, hold 14 and 27 moons respectively. Rocky planets have only 3 moons, 2 small moons of Mars and 1 large moon of the Earth. Pluto, now categorized as a dwarf planet, has got 5 moons up its sleeves. Other dwarf and minor planets such as Haumea, Eris, Makemake, Orcus also have their own moon. Moons are also found orbiting asteroids that are small and called moonlets. Like our Earth Moon system, most moons have prograde orbits and are tidally locked, meaning one side of the moon is always facing towards its parent's body. Moons that have prograde orbit revolve in the same direction to the axial rotation of their parent, and when it revolves in the opposite direction, the orbit is called a retrograde orbit. I hope you guys find this video useful. Stay safe and take care. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.